Hello everyone, welcome back. So you may remember when I went on a little whistle making spree and I made a bunch of whistles from the antlers that Danny from TN Deerstalker Outdoors had sent me. Yeah, a little mini one. I actually have more. I have one on my keychain. I have some more that I gave away to some friends. And I've actually used mine a few times in the woods. I think that a whistle is one of the most important things you should carry with you. You definitely put one on your keychain because if you're in trouble and you need to signal, you cannot, well, at least I can't. I can't whistle with my mouth long enough for it to be effective. I mean, I can make a pretty good whistle with my mouth, but if you're tired, exhausted, you know, after a while it gets tough to start making a whistle sound. So having a whistle with you is a great thing. Plus they seem to travel further. So I wasn't in trouble in the woods, but I was using it as a signal device between me and my son. And I'll tell you, it worked out good one day because he was signaling me to come back to where he was. And when I got back there, he took me to a spot and I ended up harvesting a hog. So whistles are very, very important, but they're also fun. So I made a bunch of these slide whistles, if you remember this. Now those are just plain old fun. And I'm going to have a link in the description to all my DIY deer antler projects. And it'll have all of these whistles in there in case you're interested in how I made them. So, the reason for this video is, let me slide these out of the way. I made a new slide whistle. Look at that puppy. And this is made from the antlers from Georgia Trapping and Fishing. Craig, my buddy, my pal, thank you so much for these. I'm making good use of them. Lots of projects coming out. And this has got a brass slide. We got a piece of deer antler in there, plug in that. And then we have a little piece of deer antler hair to use as a finial end. And I made this one. And I just threw it on a carabiner. But this one's good to hang on your belt, your key ring, or whatever. And this one just has a little bead on it. Again, made from the antlers from Georgia Trapping and Fishing. And do you want to hear these? I'll let you hear them. So I got a little contraption here hooked up to my compressor. Ready? Let me get some air flowing here. So that's that one. So you may be saying to yourself, why was he using the air compressor when he blew on this one with his mouth? Well, I'm going to give this away to somebody. And I figured I need to be sanitary. So these have not touched my mouth or anybody's mouth. They were all tested and made with the air compressor. And one of you, if you'd like, shall win this. So all you have to do is leave a comment in the description that says slide, S-L-I-D-E. And I will run a random comment generator and I'll put the keyword in there, slide, S-L-I-D-E, and I will pick one winner. And you will get both of these whistles. So good luck to you if you decide to enter. I really, really appreciate you all coming along and watching. Much, much love and respect to all of you, my brothers and sisters. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thanks again. Good luck, and we'll see you on the next one.